Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Speaking Show.
Hi, everyone. It's really good to be here.
I'm Ella.
And I'm Jake.
Today, we're talking about your day.
My day?
Yeah, how your day is going.
Oh,
We talk about our day all the time.
yeah. At work, with friends, even with strangers.
We'll keep it simple. We'll listen, talk together, learn a few related words naturally, and practice some useful sentences.
That feels easy.
It is. No pressure. So, Jake,
Yeah.
how's your day going?
So far today, my day is busy. It feels quite full already, and I've been doing many small things.
Busy in a tiring way or just active?
A little tiring. I answered several emails, joined 2 meetings, and worked on different tasks without much pause.
That kind of day can drain your energy slowly.
Exactly. I didn't really take breaks, so my energy feels lower than usual today.
So the day isn't stressful, but it feels heavy.
Yes, busy, active, and a bit draining, but nothing negative.
That's a very common kind of day.
How about you? How's your day going so far?
My day is busy too, but it feels more balanced. I focused on one main task, finished it, and handled a few smaller things calmly. I replied to a few messages, organized my notes, and took a short break. I planned my afternoon and cleaned my desk. So it's a full day, but I feel steady.
So your day feels full but organized.
Yes, full, steady, and manageable.
Ella, are days always like this?
Like busy and tiring?
Yeah, busy, long, full.
Not at all. People have many kinds of days.
Like what?
Some days are calm. You might say, today is calm, or my day is pretty relaxed.
That sounds so relaxed.
Some days are good. People often say, I'm having a good day, or today is going well.
Okay. And bad days?
On bad days, people usually keep it simple. They might say, today is not great, or I'm having a rough day.
So you don't need details.
Exactly. Just describe the kind of day.
Busy day, calm day, good day, rough day.
Yes, short, simple, and natural.
That makes it much easier to talk.
It does. So that's how the day has been so far. Now let's talk about this moment, right now.
Right now, I'm working.
What are you working on right now?
I'm finishing a few tasks. I'm checking my list, replying to messages, and making sure nothing is missing.
So right now, your attention is on details.
Yes, I'm trying to stay focused and not let my mind wander.
Many people talk like this. They say, right now I'm working, or at the moment I'm busy.
I also say I'm trying to finish something when I'm close to the end.
That fits this moment well.
So, right now, I'm sitting at my desk, looking at my screen, reading information, and thinking about what to do next.
So you're doing physical work and mental work at the same time.
Exactly. My hands are busy, and my mind is busy too.
How does that feel right now?
Right now, I feel a bit tired, but I'm still able to work.
That's very common during the day.
I'm not rushing. I'm taking my time and doing things one by one.
For me, right now, I'm talking with you, listening carefully, choosing my words, and paying attention.
So you're focused right now too.
Yes, I'm staying present and thinking about what I'm saying as I speak.
So right now, we're both working, just in different ways. So yeah, as I said, my day was very busy today.
Say that again.
My day was very busy today.
But the day isn't finished yet.
Oh, so
So right now, you'd say, my day is very busy today.
okay. My day is very busy today.
Yes.
Then I guess I should also say it was a long day today.
Again, is the day over?
No,
So you would say, it is a long day today.
it is a long day today. And earlier I said I was very tired today. Is it correct?
No, Jake. How do you feel right now?
Still tired.
Then you say, I am very tired today.
Ah, okay. I am very tired today.
So when the day is still going, we talk about it as it is.
And when the day is finished, then it was.
Exactly.
That actually feels natural.
So that's what's happening now. What about later today?
Later today, I'll finish one last task and then leave the office.
Same here. I still have one small thing left.
After that, I'll pack my bag and head out.
Do you leave right away or do you wait a bit?
I usually leave right away. If I wait, traffic gets worse.
That's true. I try to leave on time too.
How are you getting home today?
Public transport. If it's crowded, I'll just stand and listen to something.
That can be tiring.
It can be, but it's better than being stuck in traffic.
I'm driving today. If traffic is bad, I'll just take it slow.
That's all you can do.
Once I get home, it depends on my energy.
Food plans?
If I feel okay, I'll cook something simple. If not, I'll order food.
I do the same.
What about your evening?
After I get home, I'll change clothes, eat something light, and slow the day down.
No big plans then.
No, just a quiet evening.
That sounds good after a full day.
It really does. Let's pause for a moment. We've said a few useful things already.
Like what?
Earlier, you said, it's been a long day.
Yeah.
When you say that, you are not talking about one thing. You are talking about the whole day.
So it's about how the day feels overall.
Exactly. You can say it when the day feels full or tiring.
Like after work.
Yes,
What about when I said my day is busy today?
that one is very common. You use it when the day is still going and you're in the middle of it.
So I wouldn't say that late at night?
Right. You'd say it while the day is happening.
I also said, right now I'm working.
That tells people what is happening at this moment, not before, not later.
Just now.
Yes.
And when I said, later today I'll finish my work.
That's for plans that are still coming. The day isn't finished, but you're looking ahead a little.
So we talked about the day from start to finish.
Exactly. How the day has been, what's happening now, and what's coming later.
All with simple sentences.
Yes, and these are sentences you can use every day.
We used quite a few useful words today.
Yes. Let's slow down and notice some of them.
We said busy a lot.
Busy means you have many things to do. It doesn't always mean stressed, just active.
Like a full schedule.
Exactly.
What about tired?
Tired means your energy is low. It can be from work, thinking, or just a long day.
We also said long day.
A long day doesn't mean more hours. It means the day feels heavy or full.
We talked about traffic too.
Yes, traffic means many cars on the road. When traffic is bad, travel takes longer.
That affects the whole evening.
It does.
What about crowded?
Crowded means too many people in one place, like a bus or train after work.
We also said finish or finished.
To finish means to complete something. When work is finished, you can relax.
And energy?
Energy is how strong you feel. When energy is low, people choose easier plans.
Wow, so many words. And these words help describe the whole day.
Yes, they do. From work to travel to the evening. We've already talked about the words. Now let's use them.
This is your time to speak.
First, I'll say the sentence.
Then I'll say it again.
After that, say it yourself.
Take your time. 5 seconds is enough.
First sentence. My day is busy today.
My day is busy today.
Second sentence. It's been a long day.
It's been a long day.
Third sentence. Right now, I'm working.
Right now, I'm working.
Fourth sentence. Later today, I'll finish my work.
Later today, I'll finish my work.
And the last one? After that, I'll go home and rest.
After that, I'll go home and rest.
Great job!
Really good.
If you said even one sentence, that's progress.
High five!
So today, you practice talking about your day.
How it's been, what's happening now, and what comes later.
These are simple sentences, but they are very powerful.
You don't need perfect English to talk about your day.
Just a few clear sentences are enough.
And you practiced with us today. That really matters.
Again, even one sentence is progress.
And you can use these sentences today.
Thank you for spending time with us.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and have a good day.
Take care and have a good day.